Here's a quick garden update. Here's what we've harvested recently. Everything's coming up. Zucchinis, peppers, cucumbers. Nice little harvest there so far. We'll give you a tour of the backyard to see what we've got so far. Hey everybody, here's another little garden update. So last week you probably saw me put the sweet potatoes in the ground, and I did. And they were kind of, because I got a mail order, so they're looking a little sickly. But it looks like once I got them in the ground here, gave them some fertilizer, and I'm just giving them some water here right now. You can see that they look like they're getting established, so that's a good thing. So hopefully this means we're gonna keep them alive, and now that it's getting hot, they love the heat in sweet potatoes. So if I can keep the moisture and the fertilizer, and these should start sprouting like they do every year up the trellis and over the fence. So that's another little update here. I'm gonna let this water for a minute. Here's the blackberries. Not so many blackberries this year because of the cold, but we do have blackberries, and the canes are coming back. So as you can see here, they're surviving, coming back. Sweet potatoes again, doing well. Sweet blackberries. So we had a freeze, but everything's still alive. Tomatoes coming back. One right here in the bottom, look at that. Let's take that one. That's a nice tomato. We'll get it before the birds do. Raspberries, they're taking off this year. Look at that. Lots and lots of pockets of raspberries. And the rest of the garden's doing well. Peppers, zucchini, cucumbers in the background, more tomatoes. Yeah, not doing too bad for our limited garden this year. So hopefully more good things to come as the year progresses. Here we are on Memorial Day weekend, so we're already getting tomatoes. How about that? All right, folks, we will talk to you again very soon. Bye-bye.